There's this concept in workers' comp law that I want to discuss with you. It's called maximum medical improvement, abbreviated MMI. Now, what that means is once you get injured and you've been through a protocol of treatment, be it surgery or physical therapy or something, a doctor might come to the conclusion that you have reached MMI, meaning you're about as good as you're going to get. And you may have residual problems going forward, restrictions, pain, symptoms, but you've plateaued, basically. Now, how is this significant in workers' comp? In other states, it's really significant. For instance, New Jersey and other states, once you reach that MMI, there is a process to determine how disabled you are as a percentage, and you just get paid off that money. There's some litigation surrounding that. It's different in Pennsylvania. So we don't have that. Even when you reach MMI, nothing really will happen. You can continue to collect. You may want to take the advice of your attorney at that time to settle it because you're not getting any better. But there's nothing that's going to happen automatically, with one exception. Once you've received 2 years of benefits, in other words, you've been on comp for at least 104 weeks, the insurance company can have you examined by a doctor who's approved by the Bureau of Workers' Comp. And that doctor will perform what is called an impairment rating evaluation. And that doctor must determine a couple things. Number one, that you are at MMI, and then under the American Medical Association guidelines for permanent impairment, what percentage of disability are you? And once the doctor issues that report, if it's been 60 days after or less from that 104 weeks, you're automatically considered partially disabled at that time. Now, that doesn't change your comp, your rate of pay. All it does is cap your claim at 500 weeks at that point. Now, normally when that happens, cases settle because, if you are as good as you're going to get, and the insurance company is faced with continuing to pay you, they're often willing to settle. So if that concept ever comes up, your attorney certainly, we will explain that to you and use it to your advantage however possible.